From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm student meteorologist Frank Gargione with your Wednesday afternoon forecast. We take a live look at Beaver Stadium here. Clouds blanketing the sky. Penn State football off this weekend, but we'll be traveling to Columbus next weekend to take on Ohio State. Current conditions right now in State College, 45 degrees, feeling like 41, dew point of 34. Visibility is pretty clear at 10 miles, a little bit of a northeast wind at 7 miles per hour as we take a look at our temperatures across the state of Pennsylvania, really for anywhere from the low 40s to the low 50s across the state, with a majority of the state sitting in the mid 50s. Erie, you're at 53, and towards our southeast, Philadelphia, sitting at around 54. As the days go on and as the temperatures start to drop, we start to see our peaks in fall foliage. Here in Center County, most of us are past peak, a little bit towards our south, still in the peak time frame, but the northern counties, we are way past peak up there. And down here towards the southeast of Harrisburg, we haven't even reached peak yet. Should happen within the next, at least I would say, week and a half. Peak colors should be coming out down there. Now, one thing that affects fall foliage as these leaves start to die is wind and rain. And unfortunately, that is going to be the case as we take a look at our satellite and radar. Start to see this system starting to make its way towards the north and towards the east here, with rain coming into Virginia, West Virginia, Ohio, Maryland, and even parts of southern Pennsylvania dealing with some showers at the moment. And we even have some snow in the really higher elevations of West Virginia. So let's time this one out for you as we head into Wednesday night. Those rain showers, or the rain starts to move its way north into Pennsylvania. And this will continue overnight, and that's when the main rainfall event will happen. This heavy rain pushes through the whole state pretty much as we head into the overnight hours, early morning hours Thursday. It will continue its way through Thursday, and then as we head towards Thursday night, the main heaviest part of the rain will be off to our east and off to our west. We'll be in a little bit of a dry slot, but I wouldn't be surprised as we head into early Friday morning to have the back end of this system start to give some showers here in State College. And as we transition into Friday, a northwesterly wind on the back end of that low pressure system will bring some clouds and precipitation thanks to some lake effect precipitation here making its way towards in the western part of the state. Now, I want to touch on the future precipitation because it is going to be much needed rainfall, but almost too much. Scranton, almost 5 inches of rain during this event here. State College sitting around 1 inch and 3/4. Philadelphia almost at 3 inches as well. So pretty much almost everyone in the state will be seeing at least an inch of rain. If not, like I said, Scranton almost pushing 5 inches of mild precipitation. And speaking of rain, I want to touch on Hurricane Melissa making landfall in Jamaica as a Category 5 hurricane. Eventually overnight made landfall in Cuba as a Category 3 hurricane, and right now weakening to a Category 2. As of the latest advisory, 100-mile-per-hour winds moving northeast at 14 miles per hour, pressure at 974 millibars, making its way out into the Atlantic Ocean. Expected to make another landfall here in the Bahamas as a Category 2 hurricane before eventually making its way towards the northeast, staying to the west of Bermuda, potentially some tropical storm force winds and conditions there, but other than that, will make its way out to sea. Here today in State College, expect a temperature of 53 degrees and mostly cloudy. East wind at 7 miles per hour and a low precipitation chance, but that changes as we head into tonight, as we can expect temperatures around 45 degrees with rain, east wind at 8 miles per hour, and that precipitation chance at 100%. And this will continue as we head into tomorrow, 53 degrees and rain with east winds bumping up to 10 miles per hour, and once again, a precipitation chance as 100%. Let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. Temperatures in the mid to low 50s pretty much as we head towards into the weekend. Rain, like I mentioned, tonight and into tomorrow. And as we head towards the weekend here, Halloween this Friday, expecting to be cloudy and 50 degrees, hopefully staying off on that rain. The only chance for rain would be those lake effect showers. And then as we head into the weekend and into early next week, expected to clear up eventually as we head to Tuesday, temperatures at around 56 degrees. I'm student meteorologist Frank Gargione. Have a wonderful rest of your day.